Have you ever been eating your favorite meal or laughing with friends when suddenly a strange sound pops out of your mouth and you can't control it? This funny noise is called a hiccup, and almost everyone gets them sometimes. But what really causes us to hiccup? Stretching across your chest lies a big thin muscle right under your lungs. This muscle is called the diaphragm, and it helps you breathe in and out by moving up and down like a magical floor. Every time you take a breath, your diaphragm moves down, pulling air into your lungs, and moves up when you breathe out, pushing air out. But sometimes the diaphragm gets a little surprised. Maybe you eat too fast, drink a fizzy drink, or swallow air while giggling. Even a sudden change in how much you eat or a cool breeze on your stomach can startle the diaphragm. When the diaphragm is surprised, it suddenly tightens up like a quick, unexpected jump. This is called a spasm. When the diaphragm spasms, it yanks air quickly into your lungs. But here's the twist. Right above your airway is a tiny flap called the glottis. When the air rushes in too fast, the glottis snaps shut, just like a little door slamming. The sudden closing of the glottis makes the classic hic sound. Some people believe holding your breath, drinking water, or getting a surprising scare can stop hiccups. Sometimes these tricks work, sometimes they don't. That's because hiccups usually go away on their own after a few minutes, once your diaphragm stops being startled. So next time you get a hiccup, remember, your diaphragm is just doing a silly little dance. It might feel strange, but hiccups are harmless and a fun reminder of how our amazing bodies work inside. And the next time you hear that funny sound, you'll know exactly what is happening deep down in your chest. Wow, explorers, what a journey. Today we unlocked another science secret, and there are endless mysteries ahead. If you love this adventure, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share with friends. Until next time, keep imagining. Our world is full of wonders waiting for you.